Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. If you or someone you know is struggling with ataxia or any other neurological disorder and looking to improve balance and coordination, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll demonstrate simple yet effective exercises that can help improve stability and overall motor function. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. Before we begin, please ensure you are in a corner to help prevent falls. Start with simple exercises like marching in place or tapping your feet to a rhythm. This will help improve your coordination and balance. All you need is a little bit of space and some good music to keep you motivated. I will be marching standing up, but you can be sitting if you want. Start by lifting your knees up high and pumping your arms as if you're marching in a parade. Make sure to keep a steady pace. Not only does marching in place help improve your cardiovascular health, but it also works your leg muscles, glutes, and even your arms. It's a full-body workout that will leave you feeling energized and accomplished. Challenge yourself by adding variations like high knees, butt kicks, or adding weights to increase the intensity. Remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body. Have you ever tried standing on one leg? It may seem simple, but mastering the one-leg stand can actually be quite challenging. Balancing on one leg requires not only physical strength, but also concentration and focus. Start by finding your center of gravity in a corner with walls around you. Keep your gaze fixed on a point in front of you to help maintain your balance. Lift one leg and try holding the position for a few seconds at a time, gradually increasing the duration as you build strength and stability. Practice regularly to improve your balance and coordination. Remember, it's okay to wobble and fall, just get back up and try again. With patience and persistence, you'll soon be able to master the one-legged stand like a pro. Try walking heel to toe in a straight line. This exercise helps with coordination and can prevent falls. This exercise involves walking in a straight line, placing your heel directly in front of your toes with each step. I have a wall beside me to help prevent falls. Mastering this technique can help improve your posture and stability. To start, find a clear path where you can walk in a straight line. Begin by standing with your feet together and arms by your sides. Take a step forward, walk in a straight line, ensuring when your feet come down they are coming down on the heel, then progressing to the toes. Focus on keeping your body upright and your gaze forward. Practice this exercise regularly to improve your balance and coordination. Use a stability ball to work on your balance. Sit on the stability ball and try lifting one foot off the ground. This will engage your core muscles and improve your stability. This particular exercise is extremely difficult for me. Lifting one foot off the ground while sitting on the stability ball requires core strength, stability, and concentration. You'll feel your muscles working to keep you balanced. Challenge yourself to hold your foot off the ground for as long as you can. You'll feel the burn in your core and legs as you work to stabilize yourself on the ball. Remember to switch to the other foot to even out the challenge and work both sides of your body. It's a great way to improve your balance and strengthen your core. Give the stability ball challenge a try and see how long you can hold your foot off the ground. It's a fun and effective workout that will push your limits and improve your stability. Practice standing on a foam pad or cushion, aka balance pad. I am a big fan of the balance pad because it can be used for many different exercises. Link in the description. This unstable surface will challenge your balance and improve your coordination. By standing on the balance pad, you engage your core muscles and focus on maintaining your center of gravity. It may seem easy at first, but as you start shifting your weight, you'll feel the burn in those stabilizing muscles. The balance pad is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their balance and wanting to prevent injuries. Remember, if you stand with your feet close together, it's much harder than standing with your feet wide apart. You can use it for squats, lunges, or even just standing to improve your balance over time. Use a balance or rocker board to work on your stability. By incorporating balance board exercises into your workout routine, you can target key muscle groups that are often neglected. From squats to planks to lunges, the possibilities are endless when it comes to working out on a balance board. Not only will using a balance board help you build strength, but it will also challenge your proprioception, your body's awareness of its position in space. This is crucial for preventing injuries and improving your overall body performance. Next, perform seated arm circles. This will help improve your strength and coordination. Start by sitting up tall in your chair, a bench in my case, with your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands on your shoulders with your elbows pointing out to the sides. Begin by making large circles with your arms, moving them forward for 30 seconds. Focus on engaging your core and keeping your shoulders relaxed. After 30 seconds, switch directions and circle your arms backward for another 30 seconds. Feel the burn in your shoulders and arms as you continue the movement. Keep breathing and stay focused on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Repeat this exercise for 2 to 3 sets, taking breaks as needed. Remember to listen to your body and only do what feels comfortable for you. Incorporate yoga poses like tree pose or warrior pose. These poses can help improve your balance and flexibility. First, let's begin with the tree pose. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Shift your weight onto your left foot and bring the sole of your right foot to rest on your inner left thigh. Bring your hands together at your heart center or extend them overhead. Find a focal point to help you balance. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. Next, let's move on to the warrior pose. Begin by stepping your right foot back into a lunge position. Keep your left knee stacked over your ankle and extend your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Sink deeper into the lunge while keeping your chest lifted. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. Remember to breathe deeply and listen to your body. These poses may be challenging at first, but with practice, you will improve your strength and balance. Yoga poses can be a perfect segue into Tai Chi or Qigong exercises. These gentle movements can help improve your balance and coordination. These ancient Chinese practices have been around for centuries and are known for their numerous health benefits. Tai Chi focuses on slow, deliberate movements that help improve balance, flexibility, and strength while promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Qigong, on the other hand, combines gentle movements, breathing techniques, and meditation to cultivate and balance the body's vital energy, or qi. Both practices are great for people of all ages and fitness levels and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. By practicing Tai Chi and Qigong regularly, you can experience improved mental clarity, reduced anxiety, and increased overall well-being. Lastly, practice stepping over obstacles or around objects on the floor to improve your coordination and balance. I use yoga blocks. Link in the description. Stepping over yoga blocks is a great way to do just that. Place the blocks on the ground in a line, about hip-width apart. Now, stand at one end of the blocks and lift one foot up. Carefully step over each block, focusing on your balance and stability. You'll feel your core engage as you navigate over the blocks. Try not to touch the blocks with your foot as you step over them. This exercise not only challenges your balance but also improves your coordination. Feel free to go at your own pace and take breaks if needed. Practice regularly to see improvements in your balance and stability. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have a medical condition like ataxia. Let's get started on improving your balance and quality of life together. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to press that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.